It's been a really interesting workshop. First of all, not only for presenting my work, but also by listening the rest of the participants, their views. The topics are very diverse, so it's been an opportunity also to learn about some other issues and areas that I do not read every single day, so that's been particularly interesting.
The workshop has been a wonderful experience to bring together so many different people from all over the world, from the sphere of the UN, from NGOs, from the academics. So really bridging that gap between the academics and the practitioners to discuss research and ideas of how we can work towards improving capacity building and capacity enhancement initiatives between the local and the international, and the kind of nexus of that and the synergies that we can look for with our different areas of research.
Right now I'm in India. I'm at the OP Jindal Global University. I traveled to attend a workshop, the ACUNS 2023 workshop. It's been a wonderful experience. It's been a lovely time I'm having in India. I'm enjoying the weather. I'm enjoying interacting with the people. The discussions have been quite entertaining. They've been quite fulfilling and enriching. We've had very interactive sessions.
The fact that people are coming from different backgrounds, both as practitioners and scholars, I think that has been the richest part of the conversations, because people are bringing some theoretical perspectives in terms of how knowledge can be enhanced, but at the same time it is very interesting to see how practitioners are bringing their experiences and sort of the things that they see on everyday basis.
These kinds of workshops are a great opportunity to highlight the role of higher educational spaces in facilitating dialogue across disciplines and practitioners and research. In fact, we are very proud that this workshop this year has led to a lot of collaborations between practitioners and scholars from across the world. Hopefully, we will be taking this forward and committing ourselves to see the changes in policy making and practice.
The Jindal Institute of Behavioral Sciences had privilege of hosting the 30th edition of the Academic Council on the United Nations System, which is called ACUNS, which is United Nations workshop at our own university at Jindal Global University campus. The hosting of this workshop symbolizes our commitment not only to practice-based research, but equally to the capacity building. I want Jindal Institute of Behavioral Sciences to be a part of change and transformation via these researches and capacity buildings that benefits our society at the end of the day.